I am Nita Sharma from Brain League Learning. In this video, we will understand the Carnot engine and the Carnot cycle, and then solve practice problems step by step. A Carnot engine is an imaginary perfect engine. It takes heat from a hot source, converts some of it into work, and rejects the remaining heat to a cold sink. This gives the maximum possible efficiency. The Carnot cycle has 4 steps. First, isothermal expansion at the hot temperature. Second, adiabatic expansion, where the gas cools. Third, isothermal compression at the cold temperature. Fourth, adiabatic compression, where the gas heats back up. We can visualize the cycle on a pressure-volume diagram. The loop represents one complete cycle, and the area inside is the net work. The Carnot efficiency depends only on the temperatures. Efficiency ETA equals 1 minus Tc over Th. To improve efficiency, we need a hotter source or a colder sink. Practice problem 1. A Carnot engine works between 400 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius. First convert to Kelvin. Th is 673 Kelvin, and Tc is 373 Kelvin. Then ETA equals 1 minus 373 over 673. The efficiency is about 44.58%. Practice problem 2. The engine absorbs 2,000 joules from a hot reservoir at 500 Kelvin and rejects heat to 300 Kelvin. First, ETA equals 1 minus 300 over 500, which is 0.4. Then work equals ETA times QH, so work is 0.4 times 2,000. The answer is 800 joules. Practice problem 3. If the efficiency is 0.4 and the cold sink is 300 Kelvin, solve for the hot temperature. 0.4 equals 1 minus 300 over Th. So 300 over Th equals 0.6. Then Th equals 300 divided by 0.6, which is 500 Kelvin. To practice more, try the practice test from Brain League Learning. Remember, always convert Celsius to Kelvin and use the efficiency formula.